The Science of Confidence, How to Speak English Without Fear. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Do you ever feel nervous when speaking English? Do you worry about making mistakes or sounding unnatural? You're not alone. Many language learners struggle with confidence, and that fear holds them back from improving. But here's the good news. Confidence is not something you are born with, it's something you can train. Today, we'll explore the science behind confidence and how you can develop it to speak English fluently and without fear. Why confidence is the key to English fluency. Speaking English well is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about having the confidence to use what you already know. Studies show that when people feel confident, they process language faster, making conversation easier. They recover from mistakes quicker, without feeling embarrassed. They speak more naturally, focusing on meaning rather than perfection. In contrast, fear activates the fight or flight response, making it harder to think clearly. That's why confidence is so important. It allows your brain to stay calm and perform at its best. Let's look at how to build that confidence step by step. Step 1. Change your mindset about mistakes. Many people fear speaking English because they are afraid of making mistakes. But the truth is, mistakes are essential for learning. Every mistake helps your brain adjust and improve. Native speakers make mistakes all the time, but they keep talking. Perfection is the enemy of fluency. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect. Try this. Instead of thinking, "I hope I don't make a mistake," tell yourself, "I'm learning. Every mistake helps me grow." Step 2. Train your brain for confidence. Confidence is not just an emotion, it's a brain function. When you practice a skill repeatedly, your brain forms stronger connections, making it feel easier and more natural over time. This is called neuroplasticity. To apply this to English, speak out loud every day, even if it's just to yourself. Record your voice and listen back to track improvement. Use positive self-talk to reinforce your progress. Your brain needs proof that you can do something, so the more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Step 3. Use fake confidence to build real confidence. Studies show that even if you pretend to be confident, your brain starts believing it. This is called the fake it till you make it effect. Stand tall, take deep breaths, and speak clearly. Slow down your speech. Fast talking makes you sound nervous. Smile while speaking. This tricks your brain into feeling more comfortable. Over time, this fake confidence turns into real confidence because your brain starts associating English with positive experiences. Step 4. Start with small, safe conversations. If speaking to strangers makes you nervous, start with low-pressure situations. Talk to yourself in the mirror or while walking. Practice short sentences with AI chatbots. Join online groups where you can text before speaking. Once you get comfortable in safe environments, speaking to others will feel much easier. Step 5. Prepare key phrases in advance. One reason people lose confidence is that they don't know what to say next. The solution? Prepare common phrases for different situations. If you forget a word, say, "How do you say this in English?" If you need time to think, say, "Let me see," or "That's a good question." If you make a mistake, say, "Oh, I meant to say." Having these phrases ready removes hesitation and makes you feel more in control. Step 6. Speak first in conversations. Many people wait for others to speak first, but this increases anxiety. Instead, train yourself to start the conversation. At a cafe, say, "Hi, can I have a coffee, please?" In a meeting, say, "I'd like to add something." With a friend, say, "What do you think about this?" Speaking first puts you in control and reduces overthinking. Step 7. Visualize success before speaking. Athletes use visualization techniques to prepare for big performances, and you can do the same for English. Before speaking, imagine yourself speaking clearly and confidently. Picture the conversation going well. Your brain can't tell the difference between real and imagined experiences, so visualization actually trains you for success. Step 8. Track your progress and celebrate wins. Confidence grows when you see proof of your improvement. Write down moments when you spoke successfully. Track how many conversations you have each week. Reward yourself for progress, even if it's small. Progress builds momentum. The more wins you collect, the more confident you become. Final challenge: speak in English for 5 minutes today. Pick a topic and speak for 5 minutes today, alone, with a friend, or with an AI chatbot. If you hesitate, remind yourself, confidence is a skill. I'm getting better every day. Keep practicing, and soon, speaking English will feel as natural as your native language. See you in the next video.